Hello engineers. Okay. Tugiye kurebera nuko dushobora gusakara noneho inzu yacu, then dushyiraho n'umureko. Okay. Turakora umureko wacu usanzwe ubundi tuwushyireho. Okay. Murabona dufite floor plan hano in 2D, ni 3D imeze gutya inzu yacu. Sorry. Yes. Imeze gutya. Okay. Hano inzu irafunguye. Na imbere harakoze ahashoboka, then idirishya ririho. It's okay. Icyo tugiye gukora tugiye gusakara. Okay. Then turaza hano kuri roof plan. Okay. Yeah. Then setting. Okay. Abantu benshi baraza uko basakara, abenshi inzu zabo usanga yaje agasetinga igisenge cye agashyiraho ango ashaka, angle na thickness, akaza hano muri plan agashyiraho offset isa wenda 80. Mu gihe ubonye ari nini ushobora gushyiramo nka 40 cyangwa 50. Okay. Then, for example, tugishyiraho gutya by default roof plan yacu. Okay, like this. Ntabwo dutinda turihuta. Okay, tugende dushyiraho igisenge cyacu like this. This one. Cyacu ngiki muri 2D. Okay. Then muri 3D kiba cyaje kimeze gutya. Okay. By default like this. Then tugiye kucyeditinga tugihindure kibe igisenge cyiza. Iyi thickness iri hano rwose. Okay. For example, wenda tubigire gutya. Abenshi barabifunga hano bakaza n'ibati like this, cyangwa se bagahita bashyiraho wenda nka paint gloss like this. Igisenge bakagitanga kimeze gutya. Mu by'ukuri ibi ntabwo aba ari byo pe. Take a look. This is wrong. Okay. Icyo tugiye gukora twebwe tugiye gukora gisenge ibati nyabati. Okay. Noneho tuzoza gukora gusetinga roof ari ibati koko, dukore n'umureko wacu. Okay. Thickness at least 1. Maybe nshobora no guhindura ango yanjye nkayigira wenda 35. Okay. Hose hakaba ari ibati. Then okay, like this. Yes. Then hano ku mabaraza, ku maveranda tuzahashyira udukorone. Okay, tumanutse gutya. Yep. Then icyo tugiye gukora umureko twihuse cyane. Hano ushobora gushyiraho na ledge imifuniko iza hano ku mabara. design a gutter. Okay, so bikora bite rero, ngiye kuza just mwayitinze iriya cyangwa se ngiye kuri iriya plan turi gukorera. Okay, then ndaza under document, mfate line, I'm going to use this one, then mfate for example one like this, one, ngiye gukora just umure maybe 8, then 2, 1. Okay, like this. Then this one. No more to do one. Then from here, let me put like a 12. Then hanaza mukandaza. Linganize na hold shift. Then linganize, okay. Right click. Okay, like this. Then dushaka gushyiramo indi line ifite 5, kiremo angle ya 45 in a trim distance like this. Then nze uze naho kuri right click, okay. Then that's okay. Then I'm going to make like offset. Okay, then like this offset. Sorry. Let me check. Okay. This one. One. Then this one. This. Like this. Then I'm going to trim this one. What about here? Okay, like this. In this section y'umureko wacu, then we are going to insert we are going to insert move by using move to this one. This is move. Then select the move. Okay, copy under option element attribute, then profile image. Okay, then new. Okay. Then go to profile and then new profile. Okay, let's call it umureko or gutter. yes, urabona ko twawugejeje muri profile manager. Then ubu hano dushatse twahita tunawusa. Icyo dukora turahita tuza kuri ya plan yacu like this, then tujya muri wall barukuta na rugiye, okay, na ruri complex tujyemo, then tujye muri profile igiye. Profile niho turi umureko cyangwa gati, okay. Then tuhereza iriya material twatanze hariya imeto okay. Like this. Is it true or not? I don't know. But it looked like a wall. Maybe I made a mistake. But if I made a mistake, I can correct it. Let me so fast. Yes, this is a gutter. Take a look. Okay, this is a gutter. This is where water passing through. Okay, here. Okay, like this. This is a gutter. Okay. That's good. So icyo tuba dusigaje ni kuwuzana tukawushyira ku ibati neza ku buryo amazi azajya amanuka agahita agwa hano mu mureko. That's good. Kubera ko umureko wacu nabwo utari group, tugiye guselectinga one by one. So sorry. Yes, then tuzamure nta kindi gisigaye. Okay, thank you so much.